Well, we're hoping that somebody's going to get us some pictures of maybe some wind damage out there from the recent winds that have blown in. But while we wait, we've got a great-looking photo to kick off our weather broadcast here from Kim Gilliland down in Tularosa. One of the few showers that have been captured out there the past couple of days. You know, the showers are becoming fewer and fewer out there, and won't be long before they're just about all gone from sight. By the way, if you get pictures of the wind damage, here's our address, pics@krqe.com. And speaking of the winds, those winds have really started to dry things out for us out there. Dew points in the teens and 20s across the state. This might not mean much to you, but when I put it another way, this means the air is super duper dry out there. That's why we're not seeing many showers, and this means that fire danger is going to be on the way up. As a result, just about all of New Mexico, except maybe the Northwest Plateau and the northern mountains, under a red flag warning until 8 o'clock tonight. Combination of low relative humidities, of course the drying ground, and those very, very strong winds, the reason for the fire danger out there. And I mentioned the fact that we're just about done with the showers. Now, when you look at the radar here, east of the Central Mountain Chain, it appears there is a little green showing up here. Could this be rain? Yes, it is rain. Is it necessarily reaching the ground? Not necessarily so. What's happening now, we've got that little disturbance coming overhead with the clouds. These rain showers are kind of evaporating on the way down, and that helps enhance the wind. And trust me, we have got a lot of wind out there. And that dry southwest flow continues to mix in with that to keep those dry showers around, and it looks like the fire danger is going to stay elevated right on through tomorrow as well. We will eliminate west central parts of the state from the high fire danger tomorrow. Those areas stand a better chance of seeing a little bit of a shower, but even at that, the rain chances are going to be slim. But look at these winds. We talked about them at the top of the broadcast. 20 to 30 sustained, 30 to 40 gust out there. Certainly we saw stronger winds back in the heart of the springtime, but this is still a very windy situation to watch out there. And the weekend's going to wrap up just as it has started, and that is with more wind out there. Notice warm to the south as well. Carlsbad went up to 100 degrees today. Now, as we cool things off a little bit overnight, I do suspect the wind will begin to back off a little bit, but it comes back tomorrow, and you can see we are going to introduce a few more showers north, but those showers to the north are about as close as they're going to come. High today, 86 degrees in Albuquerque. 85 is what the Sunport is reporting, and while we check temperatures in other locations, here is exactly what you can expect over the next 24 hours, going region by region. And in general, there is going to be a bit of a cool down. When I say a bit of a cool down, I'm talking 3-4 degrees at most. Not because of any cold fronts coming through, but because of a few subtle changes that are taking place way up top in the upper reaches of the atmosphere. Bottom line is, you step outside on Sunday afternoon, you're probably going to think it's Saturday all over again, except you're one day closer to having to go to work. As far as the rain showers go, not a whole lot of that action to speak of. You'll see those showers way up in the north there, but a good chunk of the area is going to stay on the dry side. Speaking of staying on the dry side, that'll be the case for many days to come. Take a look at our 7-day outlooks. Windy for the next couple of days, and then staying mild through next weekend in Santa Fe. And the same story in the Albuquerque metro. We still got a shot at making 90 degrees. Thought we were going to do it yesterday, guys. It didn't happen. We're going to give it another shot, though, in a few more days.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jason.